Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to download TV shows on Prime Video. Whether you're heading on a long flight or dealing with unreliable internet, downloading your favorite shows lets you watch offline without any hitches. Let's get right into it. First off, make sure you have the Prime Video app installed on your device. Head to the App Store for iPhones or Google Play for Android devices, and download it for free if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you're not a Prime member yet, you'll need to subscribe. It's worth it for all the perks. Now, let's find that show you're craving. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the TV series, like The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Once you see the show pop up, tap on it to view the seasons and episodes. Next, select the specific episode you want to download. Look for the download icon. It's usually a downward arrow next to the episode title. Before you tap it, double-check that the content is available for offline download. Not everything on Prime Video can be saved, especially rented movies or some exclusive titles. Hit that download button, and the episode will start saving to your device. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the file size, so grab a snack while it downloads. You can keep an eye on your progress in the Downloads section of the app. A quick tip: ensure your device has enough storage space before downloading multiple episodes, and remember that downloaded content might expire after 30 days or once you finish watching, so plan accordingly. There you have it. You're all set to enjoy your TV shows on the go. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.